Hi everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix incoming call problem in your device Oppo A57e. So if your incoming calls are not showing on the screen, you can fix this problem by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix incoming calls problem in your device Oppo A57e.